Here we come to the elevator in the Green Garage by Macy's, the Galleria Mall in Houston, Texas. You remember this elevator, how badly low on oil it was. It scared the one out of me back in 2012. Oh. I didn't push the button hard enough. This is what the elevator cab exactly looked like in the yellow parking garage. 2. It's not low on oil anymore, yay! Alright, let's go up to one end there. That LL2 button, you really have to mash it down when you get it to work. But I'm glad they finally fixed it now. I remember riding this elevator that was really badly low on oil. It scared me enough I had to get off this thing. Alright, we're gonna go in and watch it close. Right, there it goes. And that's it.